Usually, when people think of LinkedIn, they immediately assume corporate or business networking. Realistically, that is what LinkedIn is about, but in the past few years, they've expanded in so many ways. Nowadays, more and more marketers and even brand enthusiasts are jumping onto the platform. As a matter of fact, it's now possible to create massive authority and generate tons of traffic just from the LinkedIn network. I'm not talking about people hiring you for your talents and skills, which is usually what you think of with LinkedIn. I'm talking about generating traffic from a highly professional network of individuals that the platform has already gathered for you. You see, the people on LinkedIn are oftentimes action takers and actually pay attention to things that are presented to them. If you want to learn how to utilize LinkedIn as a massive traffic asset for your business, brand, or anything else, then I have good news for you. Right now, you can grab your copy of the LinkedIn Traffic Generation course that shows you exactly how to take full advantage of the platform. Just learn more details and gain instant access on the page below.